Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony HT-S350 soundbar and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you might want to do this for one of two reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If your soundbar is not connecting to Bluetooth, or it is not syncing or pairing with your devices, or if it keeps disconnecting. Anyways, if it's not working in any kind of way like that, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step. Now you will need to re-pair it with your devices because all that will be wiped off of it. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you just want to start fresh, like this just came out of the box with all of the pairing history wiped off of it, we can go ahead and do that. All we need to do is go ahead and on the top we're going to find the volume down button and the power button, and we're going to press and hold them for 5 seconds. And after 5 seconds, all the lights on the display will blink 3 times, indicating that it has been reinitialized. And then the next thing we just need to do is go ahead and unplug it from the wall, wait a few seconds, plug it back in, turn it on, and set it up as a new device.